Have you ever played a board game and needed a specific number on a dice to win? Or maybe you've wondered what your chances are of rolling a 6. Today, we're going to unlock the secrets behind these questions by exploring the fascinating world of probability. So what exactly is probability? Simply put, it's a way to measure how likely an event is to happen. It helps us understand the chances of something occurring, from rolling a dice to predicting the weather. We express probability as a fraction, a decimal, or a percentage. Let's use a standard 6-sided dice as our example. When you roll a dice, what are all the possible outcomes you could get? These are called the sample space. For a standard dice, the sample space includes the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let's calculate some probabilities. What's the probability of rolling a 3? There's only one 3 on a dice, and there are 6 possible outcomes in total. So the probability is 1 out of 6, or 1/6. How about the probability of rolling an even number? The even numbers on a dice are 2, 4, and 6. That's 3 favorable outcomes. Since there are 6 total outcomes, the probability is 3 out of 6, which simplifies to 1 out of 2, or 1/2. Finally, let's find the probability of rolling a number greater than 4. The numbers greater than 4 on a dice are 5 and 6. That gives us 2 favorable outcomes. So, the probability is 2 out of 6, which simplifies to 1 out of 3, or 1/3. To recap, probability helps us understand the chances of events. We identify all possible outcomes, the sample space, and then count our favorable outcomes. The ratio of favorable outcomes to the total sample space gives us our probability. Keep practicing, and you'll become a probability pro.